graham cracker crumbs all over the fucking place.
Yep, that's the other problem with graham crackers, man. Dry and crummy.
Crumbly?
Crummy? Crumbly or crummy?
I think crummy is like bad.
Some things that put crumbs everywhere is shitty.
It's crummy weather.
True. But still isn't like that.
It's crumbly. It makes crumbs.
Yeah, but crumbles I picture like bigger.
Because like it's
it crumbles.
Spell crumbly.
What?
Spell crumbly.
Grumb.
Not grumbly.
You're right. What's going on, everybody? This is Dan Unfiltered, Unfiltered Reactions, and this is...
Oh, I'm Drew.
Yeah, that's Drew.
What's happening?
Yeah, he's not prepared, but it's all good.
I'm here, though.
He's here. Hopefully I added the applause sound.
Just in case, man.
Yep, just in case not. Just a very good chance I'm not going to remember. 21 Pilots. We're checking out a stripped-down live performance just by Tyler Joseph. I don't think his partner is here. I'm not sure. It's not in the title. And today's specifically specified just Tyler Joseph. I don't expect to see him. But let's check it out. Should be a couple songs in this, I think.
Hello.
Yep, hi.
Thanks for coming, guys. So, I've done a few of these where I play these songs on just the piano, but this time I brought a few extra toys to trigger some loops and some samples and stuff. So, got a few songs. I think I'm going to do 3 songs that has kind of a new, reimagined version of them, and then a couple just me and the piano as well.
He's so awkward.
He is a little awkward.
Bear with me. I've got a lot to figure out, but hopefully it's going to come off correctly.
See? And what is a cymbal? For those who know, like they have that, those 2 little lines. They have that all over all their stuff. It's like their 21 Pilot symbol. Like I see it everywhere. Ride's a good song. Nice Apple sponsorship right there.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize. All my enemies that wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize. Whoa, 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 oh. I'm falling so.
Can you get that note?
Taking my time on my ride. I'm falling so. I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, oh, oh. Taking my time on my ride. Oh, oh, oh. I die for you, that's it's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, bullet for you, bullet for everybody in this room. But it don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man. Literally, I don't know what I do. I live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight people back home are trying talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they're for real. Like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill?
That's crazy.
That was beautifully orchestrated.
It was, and I think we've talked about this before. When you showed me, the first time I ever saw someone do that type of shit was you showed me the Cherry Blossom. What the hell is that song called? Horse in a Cherry Tree.
Black Horse in a Cherry Tree.
The Black Horse in a Cherry Tree.
Yeah.
By who? Can you get that part?
Caitlin Tungstall or something like that?
Wow, I think that might be it. I'm not sure. It was a weird name, so I think it's right. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah, see, you can kind of hit the note.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you... I mean, all those damn graham crackers. But yes, check that out if you guys haven't seen it. It's pretty goddamn sweet. It's like that where you just loop after loop and loops become a whole damn band just with one person. I always loved it.
Thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much.
He has a great voice.
I've been thinking too much. Been collected, calm and chill.
The names of the songs, I never know what song it is until I actually hear it.
Yeah.
I never look for conflict for the thrill, but if I'm feeling someone stepping towards you, can't describe just what I'm feeling. For you, I'd go step to a dude much bigger than me. Up way 153 for you. I would get beat to smithereens.
Okay, I know the song.
I'll be in the corner taking notes. And you know I got your 6 while you're working votes. But if I'm feeling someone stepping toward you, can't describe just what I'm feeling. For you I go, step to a dude much bigger than me.
That voice change is crazy. Like that quickly. Like, wait.
I would get messed up, wait, 153.
That octave change is ridiculous.
I would get beat to smithereens. I would get beat. I would get beat. I would get beat. 'Cause if I'm feeling someone stepping towards you, can't describe just what I'm feeling. For you I go, write a sick song just to show you the world. For you I know they think it's messed up to sell out for your girl. For you
Damn.
I go, step to a dude much bigger than me. For you I know I would get messed up, way 153. For you I would get beat. Yeah, I would get beat. For you I would get beat. Yeah, I would get beat. For you I would get beat to smithereens.
That should be my wedding song. So I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna try to fuck someone up, but
Yeah.
You guys look great.
I'm
Thanks for
about
coming.
about
Means a lot.
143. That's not good.
Yeah, I got a few more for you, and I feel like this is gonna go by really fast. I just want to like live in the moment. Because I have these headphones on, I can't actually hear anything you're doing, so I don't know if you clapped or not. So hopefully you like it.
Andrew,
Still don't know.
did you clap?
I did not, but I do like it.
All right, we gotta.
Okay.
I mean,
We have a few
he's
more
wearing
for you.
headphones, Dan. He can't hear me.
Ah,
Go
good
by too
point.
fast. Thanks
I
for
feel like an idiot.
radio.com for having me. You guys, the winners, and how did you guys even get in here? Who do you know? Who do you know? You knew someone who knew someone. All right, we got another one here. Let's try it.
He just sounds like he'd be in Superbad. She's off their new album, I think. I really didn't catch their new one.
Sipping on straight glory, let the vibes slide over me. This beat is a chemical. Beat is a chemical. When the leaves don't set my seat, I'll be back when it's all complete. Moment is medical. Moment is medical. Sipping on straight glory, let the vibes slide over me.
Nice.
This beat is a chemical. Beat is a chemical. When the leaves don't set my seat, I'll be back when it's all complete. Moment is medical. Moment is medical. Loving what I'm tasting. Ooh. Venom on my tongue. Depending at times, poisonous vibration. Ooh. Hell, my body run. I'm running for my life, running for my life, running for my. Sipping on straight chlorine, let the vibe slide over me. This beat is a chemical. Beat is is a chemical. When the leaf don't save my seed.
When did he have the snare?
Back when it's all complete. The moment is medical. The moment is medical.
Who knows?
He probably did lose. Yeah. As he keeps touching, he probably edited it.
Fall out of formation. Ooh. I plan my escape from walls they confine. Rebel red carnation. Ooh. Grows while I decay. I'm running for my life. Running for my life. Running for my. Yeah, I'm running for my life. Running for my life. Running for my. Had you in my coat pocket where I kept my revelry. I felt I was invincible. You wrapped around my head the different lives I live. My body lives on it. The last two lines may read incorrect until said. The letter's terrible in flavor.
Minus Yahoo.
Now you double as a paper maker. I despise you sometimes. Love to hate to fight. And you in my life is like sipping on straight chlorine. Let the vibe slide over me. The speed is a chemical. Speed is a chemical. When the leaf don't save my seed, I'll be back when it's all complete. The moment is medical. The moment is medical. I'm running for my life. I'm running for my life. Running for my. Running for my. Yeah, I'm running for my life. Running for my life. Running for my. Sipping on straight chlorine. Sipping on straight chlorine. Sipping on straight chlorine. Ooh.
Nice.
Very nice. Yeah.
Smooth. Smooth.
Because I'm a fan of all of these songs on the radio version.
Thanks, guys.
I don't listen to the radio enough, man. Fuck.
Yep.
Thanks for
But,
cheering
I mean,
really loud
also-
when I walked out.
Oh, these are fantastic.
Like I
on
said, I
this
have no
little
idea
stripped
if you
down
cheer
kind of
it.
piano.
He just does everything by himself, kind of. He is one step at a time.
Usually at this point of an event, I like to ask if there's any questions.
Oh, I was gonna make a request.
We will be answering questions shortly over there. And we have a special guest coming up later who will be answering those questions with me. Who's it gonna be?
Again, the titles I never know by, like what song is by titles.
When everyone
Oh,
you thought you knew deserts your fight,
Just come with me.
I'll go with you.
Go with you. Come with me. I did the exact opposite.
yeah.
A dark hall, I'll grab my light and go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Yeah. Surrounded and up against the wall, I shred them all and go with you. When choices end, you must defend. I'll grab my bag and go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Yeah. Stay with me. No, you don't need to run. Stay with me, my blood. You don't need to run. Stay with me. up at the end of your driveway, calling for your head and they're calling for your name. Home down under, I'm coming through. If they know I was grown with you,
it's definitely slower.
I'll go with you. Just keep it outside, yeah. Stay with me. No, you don't need to run. Stay with me, my blood. You don't need to run. Stay with me. No, you don't need to run. Stay with me.
That's ridiculous.
You don't need to run. No, you don't need to run. No, you don't need to run. No, you don't need to run. No. If you find yourself in a lion's den, I'll jump right in and pull my pin and go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you, my blood, I'll go with you, yeah. Stay with me, no, you don't need to run. Stay with me, my blood, you don't need to run. Stay with me, no, you don't need to run. Stay with me, my blood, you don't need to run. Stay with me, no, you don't need to run. Stay with me, no, you don't need to run. Stay with me, no, you don't need to run. Stay with me, my blood.
What you think, man?
It's great.
It's really good. It's really good. It's soothing.
It is, yeah. Jim, to be such a quiet, awkward dude.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we have
See?
one more left, and then we'll be talking to you. Special guest coming up. His name starts with J. It's not Jim,
Oh, that's good. He's the other guy in the group.
although that would be pretty awesome. All right. Well, again, guys, thanks for coming. I know we have a few more things planned. I think we're gonna meet some of you and everything, but to be able to show you guys versions of songs, some of which this is where they started. You know, the idea was here, and as I kind of add new ideas to them and new elements to it, it's still a very stripped down version of that song. When you're creating a song, when you're writing a song, you don't really have a home base. I refer it to as an anchor. Really, you're kind of lost at sea trying to figure out what does this song want to be, endless possibilities, which direction does the song want to go. Actually, a defense mechanism for me as a songwriter is that I try to inject the song has its own set of morals. Like, it decides what it wants to do, and it makes the decision. And it's kind of just, if the song sucks, I can be like, it wasn't me, it was the song. But inside of that, once I've written the song, recorded it, released it, and I'm playing it live, and it takes a life of its own, to revisit these songs in this setting, a stripped down setting, it does a couple things for me. One, it reminds me of where the song came from, that kind of that initial idea. And then it acts as an anchor, because the idea is there, for me to add other elements to it and other ideas where I can kind of be a little more fearless, a little more vulnerable, not care exactly if I'm singing it correctly or perfectly or executing everything right, because the song itself has already proven that it's good. And that's because of you guys telling me that it's good, because you're here and you like our band and like our music. So thank you guys for also in turn being kind of that anchor for us as we create more music. So I appreciate that about you. I wrote that on the right here.
All right, so we got one more left for you guys. Again, thanks for coming. Let's get into this one.
He's not like Michael Cera. Is that his name?
Yeah.
He gives you that kind of vibe. It's another one. I don't know. It's heavy.
Yep.
I'll keep on trying. Might as well, if you decide. All is well. I'll keep on trying. Might as well, if you decide. All is well. I'll keep on trying. Might as well, if you decide. All is well. Though that and bruised, face of contusions. No, I'll keep moving. Though that and bruised, face of contusions. No, I'll keep it moving. No, I'll keep it moving. Rest around the rim, drink it anyway. I got my leg. Isn't what I want, blood is on my tongue. I got my leg. I keep on going there, even though it's me I abuse. I keep on going back, even though I am trying. Face of contusion. No, I'll keep it moving. Though I am trying. Face of contusion. No, I'll keep it moving. No, I'll keep moving. Rest around the rim, drink it anyway. I got my leg. Isn't what I want, blood is on my tongue. I got my leg. Might as well, if you decide. All is well. I don't mind at all.
What you think, man? I've never heard that song before.
I haven't heard this one before either, but it's good.
It was good. It was heavy. I want to see what I want to see that one. What that one's original version
Album edit,
Yeah. Like the actual one sounds like.
the release song.
Yeah. Because I can't call it. I don't know if it's stripped down. If I have no idea what the hell the first sounds like. Still good though. Still good. What'd you think? It's only, I think it was 3-4 songs.
Yeah, no, it was definitely a show I'd go to.
Hell yeah. 21 Pilots is fucking dope.
Yeah, respect.
I think this new album, I've only heard a couple songs from so far. They're on the channel, and I'm still trying to complete that damn thing. Bastards keep trying to copyright. YouTube's being a complete douche.
They do that.
No, like, you know now, they actually want everyone to let them know if your videos are for kids or not. They want you to like click on your video before you upload it and let it know yes or no, is it for kids or not. And if it is, you're gonna get, you'll make more money off it, obviously, from advertisers. And if it's not, you won't make as much money.
Damn.
And I am clearly not. God damn it.
Darn.
Yeah, darn. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. That's what we gotta do. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Keep drinking my beer and...
Fuck! I'll get a beer in a minute.
The fridge, we got a bunch of... We're about to play beer pong, everybody, so don't worry. Great for audio. But yeah, that was fantastic. And I'm going to check out more live performances from other groups and other bands. Very soon, it's going to be like probably 2 times a month, maybe 3 times a month thing. And this is just a short one just to try it out. And I was very intrigued when I found the video. So, because I am a big 21 Pilots fan. But soon, probably want to do some old MTV Unplugged. Nirvana's would be cool. It's been a while since I've heard that.
Oh, yeah.
We heard like 1 or 2 songs from Alice in Chains. That would be good. I think Stained has one. I haven't heard that one.
Who else? Pearl Jam, I think, has one.
I would assume so.
Maybe.
I would assume so.
I hope they do.
Yeah, I think it's something I've seen on the corner before on the like YouTube suggested shit. Yeah, see, that's why.
So.
That's why I can't say yes. And you know that if you say yes and you are a potty mouth like this guy here, it's like a huge fine.
What?
Like thousands of dollars. It's a problem. They will like strike your channel down from the heavens, and then like it's bad. Like it had a big warning last time I tried to upload a video.
I mean,
so I just clicked no to all. I just told them no from all my past and future videos, and if I do go PG for a video, I'll click yes for that one video.
no, you won't.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Because it's not gonna happen. Oh yeah, it's called unfiltered. What am I supposed to do? They're cutting me off the goddamn legs.
You eat the pay loss to get your point across.
Bars.
I guess.
Bars. I like that. Speaking of bars, Tyler Joseph's a good rapper too.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I can't remember this. Oh, of course. Was it Stressed Out and Car Radio? There's one more. I can't remember.
Car Radio was fantastic.
Oh, that's a classic. That's damn near a masterpiece.
Yep.
Stressed Out was the first song I ever heard of them, and it was through you, which is weird.
Yep, heard it on the radio.
Your car radio?
On the car radio.
Ah, nice. Anyway,
I'm pretty sure I was stressed out.
Nice. It all comes full circle.
Yep.
But I'm gonna get out of here. We're about to play some beer pong, if you can't tell from the background. And give me suggestions down below of what live performances, and even send a link would make it even better. If not, I'll find it myself. I'm not that lazy, but it would be cool. Of live performances from it could be bands, artists, rappers. I don't care. I want to do a Ginger one. I haven't heard Ginger live very much at all. I think they'd be pretty good.
Yeah.
Adele at Royal Albert Hall. I heard a while ago.
Yeah. But
I damn near cried.
Yeah, that was.
I'm gonna have to do that again because I damn near cried. What's another one? Frankly, if there's something at Royal Albert Hall, I'm gonna skip it to the front because for some reason the acoustics in that motherfucker is crazy, and the crowd's always really good.
Have we done some Corey Taylor solo stuff live?
We did one, I believe.
I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, we need to do the whole thing though. That whole thing.
Yeah.
I can't remember where. It's also in England. But yeah, England, man, you guys have the best fucking live crowds. It's not even close.
Yep.
It's not even close. America, we just sit on our hands during a concert. You know, I've been to a concert and people bitched when other people were singing along.
I've heard of that. And
what's the point of going?
It's ridiculous.
What's the point of going? Why go? Just listen to the CD at home.
Like, you want to just sit there and listen? Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Let's go play some beer pong, man.
People are ridiculous.
You know, people suck asses.